I am Dwight Ryniewicz, and I am the Director of Public Works here at the Town of Vernon. A real winter this year. We haven't had one in about 13 years. The very extreme temperatures that we had, and then the wetness that we had during the day, melt-offs and everything, causes the roads to actually raise and then drop again, which causes cracking in hot mixed asphalt. When you get the cracking in there, water gets in there, and then the car traffic driving over it causes it to crumble and break apart, and that's where you get your potholes from. Town website page, and you can go on now and report a pothole. In the past, we really relied on our foremen and our crews. See something, say something, they would come and report it to us, and then we tried to have our pothole patcher out this time of the year almost every day to stay on top of them, and they will go out to these locations that we've listed and repair the potholes.